In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw pixel art in Figma. Creating pixel art in Figma is a fantastic way to utilize its vector capabilities for a retro aesthetic. The first thing we need to do is set up our workspace to properly facilitate pixel-perfect drawing. To begin, navigate to the right sidebar in Figma, where you'll find various panel options for your selected frame or object. Look for the Layout Grid section, and then click on the plus icon to add a new layout grid. This action is crucial because it introduces a visual structure that will guide our pixel placement, ensuring everything aligns precisely. Think of it as preparing a blank canvas with a very specific, small grid, much like the graph paper an artist might use for detailed drawing. Once you've clicked to add a layout guide, a default grid will likely appear. Our next step is to configure this grid specifically for pixel art. By default, it might be set to a standard grid. You'll want to click on the grid settings icon, which usually looks like 9 small squares, right next to the layout grid entry. Here, you'll find options to customize your grid. To create true pixel art, we need a very fine square grid. Change the grid type to grid if it's not already. Then you'll need to set the size property. For pixel art, a common practice is to use a small numerical value for the grid size, such as 1 pixel, 8 pixels, or 16 pixels, depending on the desired scale of your individual pixels. For instance, if you set the size to 8 pixels, each cell on your canvas will be an 8 by 8 pixel square, and these will become your individual pixels in your pixel art design. This ensures that every element you draw snaps cleanly to this underlying structure, which is the essence of pixel art. With our pixel grid now perfectly in place, we can move on to the actual drawing process. This involves creating individual rectangles and arranging them to form your design. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar at the top of your Figma interface. Now you can start drawing small squares directly onto your canvas. Thanks to the grid we just set up, these rectangles will automatically snap to the grid lines, making it easy to create perfectly aligned pixels. Each rectangle you create will represent 1 pixel in your artwork. You can then fill these rectangles with different colors using the Fill panel in the right sidebar. To speed up your design process, once you've created a colored square, you can duplicate it by holding down the Alt or Option key and dragging, or by using the standard copy and paste commands. Place these duplicated squares adjacent to each other to build up shapes and forms. Don't hesitate to zoom in quite closely as you work. This will give you greater precision and allow you to see exactly where each pixel is being placed, which is vital for detailed pixel art. Experiment with different colors and patterns, treating each small rectangle as a single building block to construct your pixel art masterpiece. Remember, the beauty of pixel art lies in its careful, deliberate placement of these simple squares.